Those are the winners? Okay.
I always pick the end one. Bobby Nandua. Hello everyone. Today I bought this blaster to put a card when we get a good card. Okay. First thing. 1, 2, 3, 4 at the front. Anyway, so I have to tell you, you guys have to open this pack because that's so good. Every pack you get a good luck. It's the V-Star. Okay, I will take it. I'll take it. The last pack of the Pokemon card. And I'll open some more Pokemon card in Christmas. I'll make the card video. So I'll make a card video that I get a lot of good cards. And we just get 1, 2 there. Here is the shine. Bobby Nandua.